Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kai. In today's video, I will be sharing two recipes with you and I'm sure you're going to love them. First one is the fish light soup. I'm going to use lime juice to clean the fish. You can use lemon juice or vinegar if you wish to. If you're new here, you are very welcome. I share easy, quick and delicious recipes on this channel. Repeat this 3 to 4 times and make sure the fish is cleaned properly before adding all the seasoning. All the ingredients I use for this recipe will be listed in the description box. After cleaning the fish properly, it's time to add all the seasoning. Onion powder. It's time to add the blended ginger, garlic, onion paste and the all-purpose seasoning. If you are a fish lover, you're definitely going to love this soup. And now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. After that, mix everything well, cover it up and let it marinate for an hour, and it's going to be properly soaking all the ingredients and you can start cooking. For this soup, I'm using Seabass fish, but feel free to use any fish of your choice. For the soup, I will be boiling 8 medium tomatoes, 1 onion and 1 Scotch bonnet. Cover it up and bring it to a boil. It's ready now. I'm going to transfer it to a blender and blend it. To cook the soup, you just need roughly like a tablespoon of oil. Add a tablespoon of tomato puree. After cooking that for 2 to 3 minutes, add the blended ingredients. Going in now with the blended ginger, garlic and onions. The stir, and after that add a little bit of salt to taste. Onion powder. Now I'm going to add the fish. If you're new here and you like what you see, kindly subscribe and make sure you activate the bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. It's time to check if I need to add any extra seasoning before covering the pot up and let it cook. So I need a little bit of salt, which I just added. Now I'm covering it and cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes, and it's time to add all the aubergines, the okra, pepper, and the soup will be ready. To my returning subscribers, thanks so much for your continuous support. Kindly drop a comment. Let me know if you like this recipe and if you're going to give it a try. always using my favorite brand when I want to make fufu. So you can find this in any African food shop. And please don't forget to give this video a like if you are enjoying the recipe. The fufu, as you can see, is ready now. Let's check the soup. Looking good. It's time to serve the food. And this is our fufu and light soup ready. Make sure you wash your hands and join me right here. Let's dig in. Guys, you need to try this. The soup was so nice and I really enjoyed it. If you love this recipe, make sure you give this a try, and please do let me know in the comment section what you think. Time to share recipe number 2 with you. Is chicken light soup. With my chicken is right here, and I will be using lime juice to clean it properly, but feel free to use lemon or vinegar to clean your chicken. And I'm going to repeat this 3 to 4 times until the water is very clear. That's when you know your chicken is cleaned properly. I'm going in the cooking pot now with the clean chicken, and I will be adding all the right seasoning to season my chicken. So that is ginger powder, about a tablespoon. Now with onion powder, about a tablespoon. Ginger and garlic paste, chopped onions, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of salt. I just added a little bit of water. Stir gently, and I will be cooking this chicken on a low heat for 45 to 50 minutes because I like it very tender. Here, this is my fresh tomatoes and onions that I bring it to a boil, and it's going in the blender now. Blend it smoothly, and I'll use that later. After 45 minutes, my chicken is exactly how I wanted, and I will be adding about a tablespoon of tomato puree. Stir gently, and I will be going in later with the blended ingredients. For this recipe is just chicken I'm using, but you can use fish to make the same light soup, or you can use beef or any protein of your choice. Always remember, it's your kitchen, your rules. I'm only guiding you here. If you're enjoying the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and keep watching. Now I'm going to just taste the sauce and see if I need a little bit of salt or any seasoning before adding the water. I added roughly 1.5 cups, and I'm going in now with the aubergines, okra, and some peppers. Teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning and a little bit of salt. Cover it up and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to sort out the fufu whilst that is cooking. Very easy just add a little bit of water and the powder of the fufu and just keep stirring. Our soup is so ready, as you can see, and it's time to serve the food. And this is the perfect consistency for the light soup when you want to use it for your fufu. Perfect. And guys, you know how much I love reading your comments. Let me know what you think about today's video. As you can see, our light soup with fufu is so ready, and you don't need a fork or a spoon. Wash your hands and let's dig in. In Togo, we always say bidunulo, which means you are invited. And guys, this was so delicious, and I really enjoyed it. If you like your sauce or soup spicy, you can use more than one pepper, okay? And this chicken was cooked to perfection, and I really loved it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and give the recipe also a try. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Au revoir.